उसी राह के पास ज़मीन पर वो चादर ओढ़कर सो गया। He slept there on that ash around the he slept on the earth around that ash. सवेरे जब आँख खुली तो देखा चारों तरफ धूप फैल गई है। When he got up at early morning, he looked that there are sunshine around four direction, means everywhere. और मुन्नी खड़ी कह रही थी, and his wife मुन्नी was saying to stand, तुम कहाँ आकर मर गए, इधर सारा खेत चौपट हो गया। Where you had gone to die. Look here, all our farms had been ruined, has been destroyed. Okay. चौपट होना मीन्स, चौपट होने से perished बोलते हैं, it means perished. Okay, our entire farm has had our entire farm has perished. हल्कू ने उठकर कहा, हल्कू said standing up, क्या तू खेत से उठकर आ रही है? क्या तू खेत से उठकर आ रही है? Are you coming here visiting our farm? Yes. मुन्नी बोली, हाँ, सारे खेत का सत्यानाश हो गया। भला ऐसा भी कोई सोता है? तुम्हारे यहाँ मंडैया डालने से क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? ओके, मुन्नी सेड, यस, आई एम कमिंग टू विजिट आवर फार्म. Our entire farms has been messed out. Oh, well, is there anybody who could sleep like you? Means there is no anybody who sleeps like you. What benefit did you get to make your small hut here? Okay, you had made your small hut to take care of our farm, but our whole farm messed out. हल्कू ने बहाना किया. हल्कू express his excuse. मैं मरते मरते बचा, तुझे अपनी खेत की पड़ी है. पेट में ऐसा दर्द उठा था कि मैं ही जानता हूँ. हल्कू made an excuse that I am rescued to die, and you are thinking about your farm. I had a pain in my stomach, so that I only could feel it. दोनों फिर खेत के डांडे पर आए. Both of them came to the boundary of his farm. देखा खेत पर एक पौधे का नाम नहीं. They looked, there is no any sign of any of plants. जबरा मंडैया के नीचे चित पड़ा है. जबरा was sleeping on the stomach under the small hut. गोया बदन में जान ही नहीं. Perhaps he has no soul in his body. दोनों खेत की तरफ देख रहे थे. Both of them were looking at their farm. मुन्नी के चेहरे पर उदासी छाई हुई थी, मगर हल्कू खुश था. There was sadness and glumness. There was glumness on the face of Munni, but हल्कू was happy. मुन्नी ने फिक्रमंद होकर कहा, अब मजूरी करके माल गुजारी देनी पड़ेगी. मुन्नी said in thoughtful way, now we have to pay our tax. Okay, now we have to pay our revenues through waging and potteraging. हल्कू ने खुशी के लहजे में कहा. हल्कू said in happy tone, रात को ठंड में यहाँ सोना तो नहीं पड़ेगा. at night we had not to sleep here, okay, in cold atmosphere. मैं इस खेत का लगान न दूंगी. I will not custom duty of this farm. कह देती हूँ, I am telling you, I will not give custom duty of this farm. जीने के लिए खेती करते हैं, मरने के लिए नहीं करते. We are farming to live, not to die. जबरा अभी तक सोया हुआ है, इतना तो कभी न सोता था. जबरा was sleeping yet Jabra was not sleeping till that time. आज जाकर शहनाज से कह दो, खेत जानवर चर गए, हम एक पैसा न देंगे. Today you should meet with Shahna and you should say him that our farm were messed by animals, so we will not give you any money. रात बड़े गजब की सर्दी थी. The night was shocking winter. The night was shocking cold. Okay. मैं क्या कहती हूँ, तुम क्या सुनते हो. What I am saying and what are you listening. तू गाली खिलाने की बात कह रही है. You are talking to me to abuse me by someone. Okay, means the matter you are discussing on from that matter somebody will abuse me. शहना को इन बातों से क्या मतलब. What is between Shahna and our farm feeding by animal. There is no any relation between them. तुम्हारा खेत चाहे जानवर ने खाया, चाहे आग लग जाए, चाहे ओले पड़ जाएं, उसे तो अपनी माल गुजारी चाहिए. Your farm was messed whether by animal or burnt out by fire or it gone under or it was sleeted. It has no matter for Shahna. He just want his custom duty, means its rent. तो छोड़ दो खेती. मैं ऐसी खेती से बाज आई. Then his wife says, then you should avoid farming that field. Okay, I am leaving such farming. हल्कू ने मायूसाना अंदाज में कहा. हल्कू said in sad hopelessly style, जी में तो मेरे में यही आता है. The same I am thinking in my heart कि खेती बाड़ी छोड़ दूँ. That I should avoid doing farming. मुन्नी, तुझसे सच कहता हूँ. Oh my wife मुन्नी, I am saying true to you. मगर मजूरी का ख्याल करता हूँ तो जी घबरा उठता है. But when I think of pottering, that time my heart feels afraid. किसान का बेटा होकर अब मजूरी न करूँगा. Okay, being son of a farmer, now I will not do waging work. चाहे कितनी ही दुर्गत हो जाए, whether my condition becomes very bad, खेती का काम न बिगाड़ूंगा. I will not mess the work of farming. जबरा, क्या सोता ही रहेगा. ओ जबरा, get up. Will you continue sleeping? चल घर चलें. Let us go to our house.